It's time to test some brand new pigments. I've got 5 pigments here that we have never seen, never sprayed. They're not even on the market yet. The company sent these over and I can't wait to spray them. So I'm gonna show you what we got and then we're gonna jump right into it. So this is eggplant. It's a gorgeous kind of, what would you say, deep purpley plum?
Purple with like almost like goldish highlights.
I'm saying, dude, it almost has a color shifting effect to it. A couple of these do. And if you look really close, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's like a larger particle gold in there. It's like a multi-size pigment. So eggplant. Then we've got Bordeaux, which is almost like a very deep wine color. This might really come to life once we get some gloss over it.
That's like wicked wine in pearl form.
Yeah, exactly. Then we've got ice blue, another one that may actually have, I'm seeing almost like an iridescent effect to it. This is a really cool color. It's got like it's blue, but at the same time, it's almost green. And then we've got Pacific, kind of in the same family, but when you see them side by side, they're quite different. This is more green with like a blue or a purpley iridescent. This is really, really cool. And then finally, periwinkle, which again, I almost feel like, am I freaking out? It almost feels like it has like a goldish, shimmery vibe to it.
It does.
Yeah, so we've got 5 of them here. I know you guys are gonna be screaming at the screen that we should be testing these over a whole bunch of different base coats, and we might, but anytime we get new pigments, we want to test them over neutral, so they're going to go over black first. If we have extra, I promise we'll throw it over some different bases. Which one is the most exciting to you?
Probably that purplish one.
Which the periwinkle?
Yeah.
I want to see eggplant. And then obviously Bordeaux might be nuts. This might almost have like a deep candy effect to it. So we've got some work to do. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the testing, and there's two things I want to tell you up front. First, some of these pearls look completely different in powder and liquid form than they do once they're sprayed down on the base. I almost thought I was getting them mixed up because I look at them in a liquid form, and then once they go over the black base, they look like completely different pigments. I could not believe it. I can't wait for you to see it. And the second thing is, once I started spraying them, I realized right away, everyone's gonna wanna see these pearls over a white base as well. You guys always ask for it, so you're gonna get to see all of them over both a black base and a white base. Some of the pearls look incredible over white, and some of them didn't work too well. I want you to take a look at each one of them and leave a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite and if you think we should bring any of them to the DipYourCar.com website. And if you want to play with any of our paints, peelable or permanent, we've got everything in one place for you. Head straight to Dip Your Car. Thank you so much for watching. Gabe and I had a blast on this one. Happy New Year. I'll see you on the next video.